Hey everyone, it's Danielle from Ideal Fitness and Nutrition. Since the British government put England into a total lockdown effective immediately, here at Ideal we jumped straight into action to give you all something to keep you physically and mentally fit. What we've done is we've made our members area completely free to join, and this gives you access to our recipe collections, workouts, nutritional resources and some of our habit changing programs. So what I've done is I've made a short video just to take you through what is in it and how to gain access to it. So first of all, in order to gain access, you need to head over to plans and pricing and click on the membership area. All you need to do is enter your email address and you will gain access straight away. So when you hit your dashboard, we are going to scroll down and we're going to take a look at our recipe collections. Click on the Access Now button. Now when we get into the recipe collections, you will see that we have added a number of different recipe packs. We will also be adding a few more dietary specific packs such as vegetarian, vegan, low carb and high protein. To gain access to these recipe packs, simply click on the download PDF and you will be able to download the recipe collection to your smart device or your computer. Then we're going to head back into our dashboard. Once you're back in the dashboard, you will see that we have some nutritional resources. Click the Access Now button, and once you are in, you will see that we have selected lots of nutritional information to help you through these times. So if meal prep is something for you, you may find how to store food interesting to read. We've got our cooking school series, rice. We also have lots of information about our important macronutrients. Again, we're going to head back to our dashboard, and when we're back there, we're going to take a look at our habit changing and exercise programs. In the habit and exercise programs, we have made some of our programs free of charge, starting with our 28-day body weight only home workout. And we've also given you access to our remote plans. These are half their original price. Scrolling down to our habit changing programs, we've given you some free ones and also access to half price programs. We also wanted to give you access to our 28-day Ideal Transformation Challenge. Now we ran this challenge a few months ago and had really good results. So we've also popped those on there and they will also be half price. So that's everything in the members area. Like I said, we will be updating it to add some more things for you to enjoy over the course of this lockdown. But for now, if you have any questions to ask, please feel free to email us at admin@ideal-fitnessnutrition.co.uk. We will be happy to answer any questions. But for now, thank you for listening and stay safe.